Hi everyone, Mike Gall, your superintendent for the Colorado Springs School District 11. We're so excited to be here today in an automotive tech bay. We have some real special guests, but the reason we're here today is we have some donated vehicles from the Baxter Auto Group that will influence and create opportunity for hundreds of our students in the automotive tech field. We have two of our students right here right now. I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves and to tell me the favorite part of their car to work on.
I'm Tiger. I'm a junior here at the Wasson campus, and my favorite part about working on a vehicle would be diagnosing an issue and then figuring out how to fix it properly.
I'm Darren. I'm also a junior here at the Wasson campus, and my favorite part about working on cars is probably having to rebuild the engine and figuring out how to make it run better.
And so we're hopeful that both Darren and Tiger will get opportunities to work for folks at the Baxter Auto Group. I have Dan over here who's going to talk a little bit about some of the interns that we actually have working in their automotive shops up on Motor City Drive right now. And Dan, when you talk about it, I'd love for you to talk about earnings potential immediately out of high school, what that means for a young man or young woman.
Absolutely. So we've been very lucky, very blessed that we actually have multiple students from the Wasson campus working with us right now. They have been great employees, great attitudes, look forward to showing up to work every day and just wanting to help their team. As an entry-level technician, you could make in the realm of $35,000 to $55,000. We do have some technicians that are making substantially more than that, obviously with training, Toyota factory certified training down the road, and we support all of that as well too. So we're very happy to be able to donate a vehicle today and keep the education going.
So as Dan talked about, we're actually paying kids to go to high school. You get an internship through District 11, you make money while you're earning credits. Kim, can you talk a little bit about what's happening up at Lexus and how you see this as a good partnership?
Sure. So we have been excited to partner with District 11 to continue the automotive program and provide the vehicles so that you have some real world experience. And then we're also excited to continue our partnership and teach more about what the dealership does, how we operate, and the different departments. So not just automotive technicians, but also in the business office, the finance roles, and being a salesperson. We have lots of roles that we look forward to exposing to the students here at D11.
Great. Thank you. And I'm going to give Dylan here the last word, but I just want to remind everyone that's watching our social media and our live posts here, if you want to turn a wrench and learn how to have a career in automotive tech, no matter what high school you currently go to, we'll find a way to get you to our automotive bay here at Wasson or the ones we have over at Doherty, and hopefully get you into an internship and apprenticeship up on Motor City Drive with folks like the Baxter Automotive Group. Dylan, anything to add?
Yeah, we just want to thank everybody, Mr. Gall, and everyone involved in this. We're just so grateful for the opportunity to partner with everyone here and supply these vehicles for everyone to learn more. So thank you very much. Appreciate it.
So remember, minivans are cool again. We got one right here. Thanks, everybody.